Assalamu alaikum. I am Barista MD Russell Hussain. I am 27 years old. I am from Bangladesh. I can make all type of hot and cold coffee and latte art like espresso, americano, cappuccino, latte, mocha, macchiato, flat white latte, ice americano, ice latte, B60, cortado, ice mocha. Let's see my work.